Yeah, ndio nimetoka Ushago and it's so sad. On my way back to Nairobi, I saw the county government of Machakos released their statement stating that this is a calculated political scheme to tarnish the governor's name. And I'm just worried. Sababu mimi naharibia governor jina nikitaka nini? I'm not a politician, just a young man trying to hustle my way up, just doing business. Wamesema hata wengine labda wajeniona kwa county, mara we don't have even documents, we don't have and what, some you never did what. So these are our documents. Na wale wanajua mambo ya LPO. These are fresh LPO. Ukienda hata kwa government ya Machakos, this is a public document, you can trace it. They said we never did anything. All I wanted was just to see the governor of Machakos, just to explain to her why her people are not listening to us. We've been in those offices, and it's so sad kusikia mtu anasema hata hajawahi niona kwa hizo ofisi. I've been there back to back. Hakuna ofisi hata sijaingia hiyo county. Nimekuwa hata kwa ofisi ya deputy governor Mr. Francis, ambaye pia tulikaa naye chini nikamwelezea every situation, nikamwambia why it is very urgent for us to get paid, and he listened. Na akapiga simu mingi sana, na hata mwenye alipeana tenda akakuja, have a conversation. Now you guys don't know me. I even have receipts that I was there. It is so sad that you are doing it look like a political game. It was just a call for us to see the governor. It was very urgent. Na kitu tulikuwa tunataka kuonea governor, hata tulikuwa tunataka ikuwe public. We just wanted payment na tumongelesha hatuelewe na alipe. But now because you're